Hello beautiful people, welcome to our family. This is me Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. In today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this sunset hollow eye look. But before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. And now without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. I'm starting with eye primer. I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer as my eye base and this is in the shade Porcelain. For today's eye look, I'm going to use this Spotlight eyeshadow palette by You Can Be. I'm taking this shade and going to stamp that here. And also I'm applying that shade on my inner corner as I'm going to create a hollow eye look. Now I'm taking this shade. This is a dark maroon kind of a shade. Now I'm creating a bridge like this to my road. And I'm connecting this to road with this bridge. Does it make it any sense? I know it is not making any sense, but anyways, leave that. Now I'm taking this mustard color and I'm going to use that as my transition color. And I'm diffusing that brown shade. I want that ombre effect. Harsh line will not look good. Now I'm taking this black a little bit, just to intensify the darkness a little bit more. And again I'm just blending that black shade and I'm just trying to diffuse it. Now I'm taking a Kryolan base. This is FS38. I'm taking this orange shade. This is a very warm toned orange shade and I'm placing it in a stamping motion. And now I'm going to take this brush and again I'm going to take that orange shade and going to blend that with that previous brown shade. Now I'm taking this color and I'm going to press that in the middle. And now I'm taking this yellow shade. Taking this shimmery yellow shade. And I'm going to press that here. Okay, this brush is not appropriate for this. I'm taking this small pencil brush. And now with my finger, I'm just pressing that color. And also to highlight my eyebrow bone, I'm going to take this yellow shade only. Now it's time to add some color on my lower lash line. So again I'm going to take this brown shade. To highlighting my inner corner, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter Palette and I'm applying it in my inner corner. And I want to add some yellow liner on my waterline, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use that yellow shade which I have used on my eyelid. And now it's time to add some mascara. So this eye makeup is done. Now quickly I'm going to complete my this eye, gonna put some falsies and gonna complete my rest makeup and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. Let me know do you like this look or not in the comment section. And here I'm presenting some of my previous works. You may like to watch this also. And very soon I'm coming with another exciting makeup tutorial. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.